Hi.
It's Brittany. What the hell? Condom?
Oh yeah, not the What are you gonna do with your wife?
I'm going to get what I want.
Oh my god,
Okay, so we're starting off doing the eyebrows. This is the usual. I do have a video on how I do my eyebrows if you want to check it out. Prime with Louise Base on the eyes. Dip into the, or use. Actually, I don't like when people say dip into. So I'm just going to say use the Ooh La La palette by Colourpop. The Ultimate Edit by Nyx. Tako by Sugarpill. And then the September Rose Cosmetics Slush palette, which I really like. If you haven't seen my 10 Looks 1 palette on that, go check it out. Then I use the Balm.com palette by Jolie Beauty. And I really like this. This is the Pressed Glitter palette. I'm using a pink glitter, obviously. What I do with this is I focus the main portion on the inner corner and then about halfway over my lid. Then I blend with my finger the pink glitter. So I will take a finger with no glitter on it and I will just kind of tap the edges and brush it. It's very easy. And then I use some NYX Oil Primer, the Prep-In Hydrate Balm, Catrice Prime and Fine. The Prep-In Hydrate Balm is from e.l.f. and then Catrice Prime and Fine primer. And then the Makeup Revolution Conceal and Define concealer. Oh, and foundation. I almost forgot. And then I use the Danessa Myricks 24-Hour Matte Color and Lift. Someone asked me how I apply it, so I'm just going to be showing in this clip. I didn't really edit this clip down because I wanted to show you exactly how I apply it. I really, really enjoy it though. It stays put. It doesn't lift or budge. It's very, very foolproof almost. And then I use the white powder, the Shivering White Studio Fix. Set with Coty Airspun. Obviously, it's what I always use. Then I'm using the motherfucking butter bronzer from Physicians Formula. I love it. Then I use the Danessa Myricks Enlight Powder and Light, which, if you are familiar to my channel, you know I absolutely love. As you can see, I was really fucking feeling myself. I spray it with the Hyaluronic Acid setting spray from Makeup Revolution. Then I sprayed my face and I applied more. And then I'm using the Saharan Blush Volume 1 by Juvia's Place. And there you see a big bitch eating her crispy chicken from KFC.
La-di-da-di, the queen likes to party. I love to cause trouble. It's fuck everybody. I take over the party. That's right, game over. Like Tony Braxton thought when Tamar took over her party. It's a political party, but Obama made me proud of y'all. Like, hell nah, that bitch there fly. This bitch got balls. The queen, that's all. The Mrs. Neck and backseat, you be hanging out of drawers. Call me Miss Big and Tall or Miss General. I'm Royal Queen Kaya. It takes no higher. I'm hanging out with Miley. We the life for the party. Independent in your city. Absolutely loaded. You know, Becky party hard and white with Billy Legacy. All your haters just so funny, never stopping for the money. Hannah Montana, she's a big girl now. Hopping and twerking, she the shit girl now.
And then for Lipsa, we are going in and using Prom Night by Jeffree Star. And then over that, I put Diva in the center. And then I used a little bit of Dream House. But you'll see me apply that Prom Night all over my mouth. I'm not one who super gives a fuck about if my lips are uneven or if my lip color, I don't know, I just don't give a fuck. Anyway, hope you all enjoy. This is the final look. Got shit on my motherfucking teeth. Thanks, bye.